relaxations are going to be given, that does not mean that you would come back. We are also joined by a colleague from the JNK. Tejinder is right there in Jammu. Tejinder, the sense which is coming out, which has come from each and every state chief minister, is this, that the lockdown should continue with certain relaxations. Tejinder.
Yes, Aishwarya, the every chief minister yesterday when they held a video conferencing with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they expressed their support to whatever decision the Prime Minister will take. The states, especially the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, also conveyed that they will stand by every decision that the Union government will take. We all know that in the recent past, we have seen a sudden spike in the number of corona positive cases throughout the country. The number of people who are also losing their life is also increasing. So there are some tough decisions which has to be taken to ensure that the people across the country, they don't suffer, they don't get infected. As you, Aishwarya, rightly pointed out, that while the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will tell the people that those certain relaxations would be given to the people, because what we have seen in the past over 2 months, that the economy has suffered very badly. The people, the migrant laborers, now while they are going back their homes, but they have already lost their jobs. So we are also looking forward that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would also announce an economic stimulus for the market, for the economy, for the industry, and also because what we have been witnessing for the past some time, that the industry and the people who have been suffering, the small business owners, the big business owners, they want that the government should announce a stimulus package for them, so that the workers, because large number of migrant workers, the workers who are working in these sectors, they have lost their jobs, many of them. Yes, Aishwarya, as you rightly pointed out, the Prime Minister would also request the people that while you are getting some relaxations,
on how we need to look at containing the spread of the disease, also resume activities, but keep the guidelines in mind as we do the same. The Prime Minister also laid emphasis on the new way of life, Aishwarya, Jan se lekar jag tak. But several developments which have been taking place in the past 1 week, be it several Indians stranded abroad who are being brought back via naval ships, while several flights, how migrant movement is taking place. We've seen lakhs of migrants who've been taken back to their home states, following which now passenger trains also partially which will be operating. So several of those new developments have also been taking place, and possibly the Prime Minister could also, after having discussed with the Chief Ministers, have a message for the citizens of the country as far as these developments are concerned, what needs to be done and what needs to not be done.
Well, absolutely, because you need to tell the people this is a time of test. Yes, there is a sense of desperation, there is a sense of distress among the people, because it's more than 50 days now. In total, if you include the time frame